If you want to stop people from adding you to Telegram groups, this quick tutorial is going to show you exactly how to do it on desktop in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you're tired of being added to random groups, spam channels, or conversations you never asked to join. By the end of this video, you'll know how to change the setting that controls who can add you to groups and channels, so you can protect your privacy and keep your Telegram experience under control. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram on your desktop. Once Telegram is open, look at the top left corner of the app and click the hamburger menu, which is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Telegram menu where you can access your account settings. From there, click Settings. In the Settings menu, you need to find the section called Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram keeps the controls for your account visibility, permissions, permissions, and who can interact with you. Click Privacy and Security, then look for the option called Invites. When you open Invites, you'll see the setting that controls who can add you to groups and channels. Under Who can add me to groups and channels, select Nobody. This is the key step that prevents other users from automatically adding you to group chats or channels. After choosing Nobody, make sure to click Save so your changes are applied. Once you save it, Telegram will no longer allow random people to add you to groups and channels, giving you much more control over your account and your privacy. And that's it. You've successfully stopped people from adding you to Telegram groups on desktop. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.